Hey, welcome back to Easy Lingo English. I'm Paul.
And I'm Anna. And honestly, Paul, I love this topic.
Yeah? Why is that?
Because it's the one thing nobody explains in school.
True. They teach you grammar, they teach you word lists.
But nobody says, hey, the reason you freeze isn't your English level.
It's your inner voice, the one running in your first language 24/7.
So picture this. You're about to answer someone in English.
And your brain does this whole thing first.
It thinks the idea in your language,
Translates it word by word,
checks the grammar.
and then finally, your mouth moves.
That's like 3 steps before you even speak.
No wonder it feels slow.
No wonder people say, I know English, I just can't speak it fast.
That's not a lie. That's literally what's happening in their brain.
So today isn't a grammar lesson.
It's a mind shift.
We're going to show you how to skip that translation step completely.
And it starts with something smaller than you think.
Ready?
Let's go.
The 4 voices in your head.
Okay, so here's something most people never notice.
Your thoughts. All day, every day. They're actually really simple.
You don't think in long, fancy sentences.
Nobody thinks, upon further reflection, I have concluded that I require nourishment.
Nobody talks like that, not even in your head.
You think, I'm hungry.
That's it. Short, simple, human.
And here's the good news. If your thoughts are simple,
Then learning to think in English is way easier than you thought.
you don't need a huge vocabulary.
You need the small sentences your brain already uses, just in English.
So let's break this into 4 simple voices. 4 types of thoughts everyone has every day. The morning voice.
Voice number 1. The morning voice.
This is the first thing your brain says when you wake up.
Like, honestly, Paul, what's your first thought in the morning?
5 more minutes.
Same, every day.
But in English, that thought is simple. Let's practice a few.
I slept well.
I slept well.
I'm still tired.
I'm still tired.
I have a lot to do today.
I have a lot to do today. See? Nothing complicated. Just real thoughts.
And here's the trick. Tomorrow morning, before you even get out of bed,
Think one of these. In English, before your native language jumps in.
that one sentence sets the tone for your whole day. The decision voice.
Voice number 2. The decision voice.
This is the voice that shows up like 100 times a day.
What to eat, what to wear, which way to walk.
And here's the strange part. You already have this thought every day in your language.
We're just moving it into English.
I think I'll wear this one.
I think I'll wear this one.
I'm not sure which one to choose.
I'm not sure which one to choose.
Let me think about it.
Let me think about it.
And this is genius, honestly, because you don't need extra practice time.
Every decision you already make is a free English lesson.
The encouraging voice.
Okay, voice number 3. And Paul, this one's my favorite.
The encouraging voice. The one that talks to you when things go wrong.
Think about it like this.
Speaking English is like jumping into cold water.
At first, your whole body says no, absolutely not.
But after a few seconds in the water,
It just feels normal.
that's what encouragement does. It gets you past that first no.
So when you make a mistake, and you will, don't panic in your own language.
Talk to yourself in English instead.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I'll try again.
I'll try again.
I'm getting better every day.
I'm getting better every day. And here's why this matters more than people think.
The way you talk to yourself becomes who you are.
If you only comfort yourself in your own language, English stays like a stranger.
But the moment you comfort yourself in English,
English stops being a subject and starts being yours.
the noticing voice.
Last one. Voice number 4. The noticing voice.
This is just describing what's around you. That's it.
You don't need a teacher for this one. You just need your eyes and ears.
It's raining outside.
It's raining outside.
This smells really good.
This smells really good.
This is taking longer than I expected.
This is taking longer than I expected.
Every single day, you get hundreds of chances to use this voice.
A bus goes by. Someone laughs. The weather changes.
Each moment, a tiny English lesson. For free.
Okay, quick energy check. You've listened to 4 voices, and you repeated, 12 sentences?
More than that, actually. And notice something.
None of them were hard.
Exactly. That's the whole point. Okay, here's something almost nobody tells you.
Most people study English only for talking to other people.
Conversations, interviews, ordering coffee.
But they completely forget about the conversation they have with themselves. All day, every day.
And that quiet voice, it never takes a break.
It's there when you're cooking, walking, waiting for a bus, lying in bed.
And if that voice speaks your first language 100% of the time,
Of course, English still feels foreign. You've never actually lived in it.
so here's the real secret. You don't need a classroom.
You need those small, quiet, boring moments. The ones nobody's watching.
That's where real fluency quietly grows.
Let me give you a picture. So this actually sticks.
Oh, story time. I love this part.
Imagine someone named Mia. She's learned English for 3 years.
Grammar? Solid. Vocabulary? Actually really good.
But every time she speaks, there's this pause, this tiny delay.
Because in her head, she's still thinking in her first language.
One evening, she's making tea. Alone. Nobody around.
And instead of thinking in her own language, I need a cup, she just tries something. Quietly in her mind, she thinks, I need a cup.
Small. Simple. Nothing dramatic happens.
But 2 weeks later, she's talking to a coworker.
And a sentence just comes out. Fast. Natural.
No translating, no delay.
And she stops mid-sentence and thinks, wait, I just said that without translating.
That's the moment. That's what we're building toward.
It's never dramatic. It's never loud.
It's just quiet and normal. And then suddenly, it's there.
And that can be you. In a kitchen, on a bus,
in your room tonight.
Okay, so how do you actually do this? Let's make it dead simple.
3 steps, that's all.
Step 1, pick 3 sentences. Any 3 from today's episode.
Step 2, say each one out loud 5 times in the morning.
Step 3, use each sentence for real at least once during your day.
That's it. 3 sentences, 5 repeats, 1 real use.
No books, no apps, no pressure.
And here's the thing, you don't need to feel ready.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You just need repetition and a little patience with yourself.
Because at first, it'll feel a little weird.
Totally normal. Your brain's building a new path. New paths always feel rough at the start.
But every single day you do this,
That path gets smoother.
and one day, it won't feel like practice anymore.
It'll just feel like thinking.
So here's what I want you to remember.
You're not bad at English.
You never were.
You were just translating every sentence, every single time.
And that's exhausting. Of course, speaking felt hard.
But now, you know the real fix. Small sentences. Real moments. Your own quiet mind.
Tonight, before you go to sleep, try just one thing.
Think 1 simple sentence in English. Just 1.
Today was a good day.
Doesn't have to be true. Doesn't have to be perfect.
It just has to be yours.
And tomorrow morning, do it again.
1 sentence. Then another. Then another.
That's genuinely how it starts. Not with 1,000 words. With 1.
Okay, homework time. And it's an easy one, I promise.
Go to the comments. Write 1 sentence, just 1, in English.
Tell us your first thought this morning. In English.
We read every single one. Genuinely.
And if this episode helped you feel a little less scared of English,
Hit subscribe. It helps more learners like you find us.
come back tomorrow. We'll keep building this together.
1 simple sentence at a time.
See you next time.
See you next time.